know, when you're Douglas J. Wentworth and the legendary one, you can do what you want. You tried to get Ricky Steamboat for this special referee thing. Well, guess who you got? The legendary Eclipse.
Yeah, he must be a baseball bat.
You know, it's true.
Down the middle, too.
Unlike these people here, with money, you can get what you want. Or you can be like the people of Rocky Mountain. Pieces of garbage under our feet. So boys, you've been hiding, you've been running, but the fight is over. Right here tonight. If you're hook or crook, you won't walk out with that title.
Now, wait a minute, I'm the referee tonight, and I'm going to, that's right straight down the middle. I want you guys to know that. Right straight down the middle. I want a clean match on both of you guys.
Well, you got a baseball bat.
I put the baseball bat over on the table. Wilbur, you're going to have to go to the back unless you advantage. Is he your referee? Well, you need to get outside the ring now. Go on, get out. Refs, you can referee from the outside, maybe you'll learn a few tricks. Just keep your eyes on me.
Eyes on you and I'm going to learn something.
You're going to learn a lot.
You don't know how to run.
Wait a minute. This title. This is for the Universal Heavyweight Championship.
You ain't gonna call it, right?
Look at her.
Hey, Wentworth. I got to hand it to you guys. You were real slick in the negotiations. ACW said no Ricky Steamboat. Eclipse might get another title shot, but unless you call this match down the middle, you'll never get another title shot. You know that's the deal, don't you?
Are you learning anything, Betty?
Yeah, I'm learning something.
Come on, Ralph. Ralph, that's a choke. That is a blatant choke. That is a choke.
It's a joke!
Joke! Down here! Break it!
And the winner of the match, still champion here in ACW, Sgt.
And you haven't given me my rightful shot yet. I'm telling you now, it is tonight, on November the 1st, the anniversary when you won that title almost. I'm going to get a title shot one way or another. And you can take that one to the bank.
You're dreaming.
You heard me. One way or another.
Let me tell you, it cost a lot. Sandy Scott, Johnny Weaver, Spud Webb, these two putes over here, Jimmy Valiant, you've hid behind everybody long enough. You say you're a people's champion, then be one. Show up November 1st, ready to hand that title over.
It's not up to me. I'll give you a title shot. You got to work it out with ACW. You signed that contract last year that whoever lost that match, the night I won this title, you'd never get another title shot. That went for me too. You lost. If you can work out the negotiations with ACW, I'll give you a title shot. But that is you and your problem.
Well, my friend, that's a done deal.
We'll see.
After the things we got planned for November 1st, not only will ACW grant me a title match, you'll be begging me for one, and these stupid, beer-bellied, toothless, tobacco-chewing, moonshine-drinking rednecks